On July 1st, Vietnam's Ministry of Health issued an updated list of 81 infectious diseases, reflecting the changing landscapes of infectious disease threats. As the country strengthens disease prevention and expands its immunization program, mastering advanced vaccine technologies is becoming increasingly important. Vietnam is now stepping up efforts to develop and manufacture next-generation vaccines.
Vietnam is receiving mRNA technology through the World Health Organization's mRNA Technology Transfer Program to develop next-generation vaccines. The transfer is helping build Vietnam's capacity to develop and manufacture vaccines domestically at scale against diseases such as dengue fever and influenza.
These are some of the advanced technologies that use here to test and assess mRNA vaccines, a new generation of vaccines that can be developed more quickly and flexibly against emerging diseases. The system are part of a WHO technology transfer program, through which Vietnam is working towards becoming one of only 10 low and middle-income countries that are capable of developing and manufacturing mRNA vaccines.
We aim to apply this technology to develop vaccines that Vietnam needs, including those against dengue fever, hand, foot, and mouth disease, and influenza. We expect to be able to develop and manufacture safe and effective mRNA vaccines domestically by 2029.
The push for greater vaccine production capacity is also attracting investment from the private sector. Companies are developing high-tech vaccine manufacturing facilities and working with international partners, adding new capacity to Vietnam's vaccine industry. These efforts come as Vietnam prepares to meet growing demand for new vaccines. From 2026, the National Immunization Program is expanding to include vaccines against pneumococcal disease, HPV, and influenza.
These vaccines address significant disease burdens in Vietnam and require advanced technologies and strong biotechnological capabilities. Strengthening domestic manufacturing capacity is essential to ensuring a sustainable supply of new vaccines and meeting the needs of the National Immunization Program.
As Vietnam expands its vaccine research, technology, and production capacity, the country is laying the groundwork for greater vaccine self-reliance and stronger preparedness for future health threats.